Hello YouTube, today it is me, AlecArchitect, and Izzy Ice Cream with me, and today we are going to be making something very special. We are going to be making Pikachu squishies. Now, they are going to be very cute and very squishy. Okay, so now let's get into all the things you'll need, which is foam or a sponge, and it has to be squishy, obviously. Don't get the ones with holes, but get scissors also. Do not get school glue. We made a mistake. Thankfully, we fixed it in time. Actually get hot glue out of a hot glue gun, and make sure to get parents for that part. It's kind of dangerous. And so, yeah, you'll don't. Also, we're gonna put Smodge Podge in here a few times. Do not use Smodge Podge at all, ever. Okay? Do not use it. Okay. Also, get red puffy paint, and you'll also need some white puffy paint. You'll need some yellow puffy paint and some black puffy paint. Okay, so we'll be right back. We're gonna be showing you what you should have once you color the, oh yeah, there it is. That's what you should draw on your sponge, and now that's what it should look like when it's like you cut it into your round shape. See, I told you, Mod Podge, and do not use it. And also cut out some ears, because Pikachus have ears. Make sure to remember to have some ears. And then, so you'll need to put dots where you want the ears. Do not make them too noticeable. I got some green dots on the bottom of mine and a few dots all over it, and yeah, it wasn't very good. I don't know how I got it on the bottom, but yeah, I did. And remember, always be doing all of this with an adult. You don't just do, I did say you need the hot glue gun for an adult, but use the whole, like all of it, because you never know. You might need an adult. And there's Izzy, she put her dots. Izzy Ice Cream. Oh, that makes me hungry. Yeah, and so you're gonna need, really, to just cut out the shape you like, and if you like it, then good. And if you don't, then just keep fixing it until you like it. See, there I am, I'm putting school glue on. Do not do what I'm doing right now. Do not do it. Do, what is it called? Oh my gosh. Do hot glue gun. Do hot glue gun. Don't use school glue or any other glue besides a hot glue gun. Unless you have like, no, only hot glue gun, not what if. Okay, that's what it should look like once you put the hot glue gun on though. I haven't, but it'll look like that. And so, see how you can see the green? I put too much blue. And you're gonna need to be careful, because I did not be careful. And I'm just laying it down, making sure. So, yeah, you want to put since you're using hot glue gun, you just hold it. It's gonna dry in like a few minutes, like 2 or 3 minutes, and then it'll be done. And you already have a squishy. But remember, you need to paint it too. And so, yeah. You better make sure you use hot glue gun. I don't want you guys to ruin your squishy and be like, oh, he told me to. Okay, well, I'll be right back with finishing touches. Okay, so I'm back. And this is how your Pikachu should look like. I hot glue gun the ears. You can kind of see some mistakes with the, green on the bottom. See, there it is. Looks moldy. Yep, and some black spots I messed up. But it still looks adorable. I can never say it doesn't. It's just so cute. Yeah, and it's so squishy. And so, yeah. If you guys like it, comment down below what you think and how yours turned out. And I don't know if you can comment pictures, but if you can, comment a picture of yours. And yeah, like the video, please. And go visit Elle Balch's channel. Her channel is like really good, and I'm in it, me and AlecArchitect. If you could hear that loud horn, sorry. Can't really tell. What was that? who cares? So, yeah, this is the tutorial on how to make a Pikachu squishy. And it's just so adorable. I love it. And it's just so cute. I hope you guys like it too. And yeah, let's go look at some squishing the squishy. That's what you're supposed to do. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Like, eases your stress. And yeah, it's just so adorable. Squeezing a little baby Pikachu. It's just doing my daily business. So, yeah, it's just so cute though. And I hope you guys like it. And also, so yeah, you can also see Izzy ice creams. I'm about to show ours right beside each other. And yep, there's Izzy's. Mine's on the right hand side. Izzy's ice cream is on the left hand side. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Bye.